have all heard of the Project CAT initiative by Discovery, which was recently endorsed by Vidyut Jammwal. We, the Jammwalian family, believe that we can come together not just as a fandom, but also for a cause. Which is why, this year, on the occasion of the birthday of our favorite human and actor Vidyut Jammwal, we have decided to contribute to the Project CAT initiative. And we think you should too. Here's why.
When we lose an animal species to extinction, we lose a part of our family. Tigers are the most endangered animals on this planet, and this could have huge implications on the ecosystem we inhabit.
Hunting, illegal trade, retaliatory killing, deforestation, and poaching are all merely few of the human activities that drastically affects the tiger population.
Tigers are apex predators of the food chain. Their role in maintaining prey population, which in turn creates a balance in the ecosystem, is crucial. Tigers were numbered at 1 lakh just a century ago, but today this number has declined to 3,890 only.
Over the years, 3 subspecies of tigers have gone extinct, and the remaining 6 are critically endangered. One of the major contributors to this is the lack of natural habitat. Did you know that only 26% of the available land is made up of forests that the tigers are restricted to? Therefore, it is very important that we conserve their natural habitat so the tigers can thrive.
Project CAT does just that. They are helping conserve 6 million acres of protected land across 4 continents to bring back the lost tiger population.
We have done our part
In saving our furry friends.
We request
Everyone who is watching
And all other fandoms
to take part in this initiative and be fans for a cause.
and be fan for a cause.
be fans for a cause.
Be a fan for a cause.
Be fans 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 for a cause.